Hi there, I'm Vishal and I'm going to be your instructor for this course. If you've been doing SEO for a while, I'm sure you've heard of the acronym PBN, which stands for Private Blog Networks. Basically, private blog networks are just a network of websites which are undetected by Google. In the sense, Google does not know that one entity owns all the websites in that network, and that network is being used to manipulate the rankings of sites that they point to. Basically, PBNs can be used to rank any kind of website. If you build the right PBN with the right power and you acquire the right domains on which you build your infrastructure, you can use them to rank any kind of website, which is why Google is so scared of them nowadays. However, you need to be a little careful when you build these PBNs out, because Google is on the lookout for people who are building PBNs to manipulate the rankings of other websites. And you need to be really careful when you build these PBNs. In this course, I'm going to take you through a step-by-step process of what goes on behind the scenes in setting up a PBN. I'm going to walk you through everything. I'm not going to hold back anything. I'm going to tell you as it is. A lot of SEOs out there don't tell you the tricks. They don't tell you they always leave out some of the important aspects of building out a PBN. But in this course, I'm not going to hold back anything. I'm going to show you exactly how to go about finding the right domains on which to build these PBNs. You see, a PBN is not of any use, and it doesn't have any power if you build it on the wrong domain. Fortunately, there are methods to finding these domains. One of the popular methods is to look for expired domains. And in this course, I'm going to show you exactly how to find these powerful domains. There is a walkthrough of about an hour in which you can look over my shoulder and see the exact process that I use in identifying these domains and how to analyze them for their metrics and their power, and finally to shortlist them and go ahead and register them for like under $10. I'm going to show you how to go about finding the right kind of hosting companies for your PBN and what kind of companies to avoid. I'm going to show you how to set up your PBN using WordPress, what kind of plugins to install, what kind of themes to use. I'm going to show you how to drip in the content on the PBN sites. I'm going to tell you how to make your PBNs look like real sites. I'm going to show you exactly how to construct your site and set it up using WordPress so you don't leave any kind of footprint behind for the algorithm to detect. Because if the algorithm does detect a certain number of footprints and you cross a threshold, then your site is going to get flagged for a manual review. When a Google employee visits your site after that, you need to make sure your site looks real so it doesn't get flagged as being part of a manual review, and then eventually your entire PBN can get detected and taken down overnight. You need to be really careful about this. Leaving a footprint behind for the algorithm or for a real person coming in who reviews your site is one of the worst things that can happen to you when you build a PBN, because it can wipe out everything you've put in to build that PBN. All that money, all that hard work, all the resources you put in can get wiped out overnight. This has happened to many people in the past. I've seen countless people on the forums who complain about their PBN getting detected by Google and just getting wiped out overnight. And by wipe out, I mean it gets de-indexed. The sites get de-indexed, and the ability for the sites to pass through link juice to the money sites gets taken away and nullified overnight. So you want to really avoid any kind of detection by the algorithm, and for that I'm going to lay out all the footprints that you need to look out for and everything you need to do to make sure that your site does not get detected. I'm going to show you how to drip in content to your site so it looks real, and I'm also going to show you how to link out from your PBN sites to your money sites so that you get the maximum link juice passing through. It's not as simple as just linking out from any page to your money site. I mean, you can't expect that to help to move rank. Even if you have a powerful expired domain, you need to make sure that you use the right methods when you link out to your money site. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. I'm going to tell you about the metrics to use, how to identify these powerful pages on your PBN sites. And there's a whole lot of other stuff I go through in this course. I mean, this course is one of the most comprehensive PBN courses I've seen on the internet, and I'm going to add to it. There's a lot of material in this course, and I've also attached some key resources with this. There are templates that you can use when you go about building your PBN, or you can hand down to your VAs. when they're looking for these expired domains that I talk about in the course. There's a bunch of PDFs in there. There's which accompany the course. So if you want to just sit back, relax, and you want to print out the course and read it and consume it that way, you can do that as well. There's also some links to some important blog resources that I highly recommend you read. And if you stick with me right till the end, I've got a couple of golden nuggets for you. These are things not many PBN builders tell you about, okay? They're insider secrets, and they're going to help you really rank your sites a lot more. They're going to help you pass a lot more power down to your money sites. But you need to stick with me till the end of the course, because I reveal them towards the end. So I'm super excited to have you on board, and I am sure you will benefit a lot from this course if you're doing any kind of SEO and you want to learn the tricks of a PBN and how to use PBNs to power up your SEO process. This course is going to be invaluable for you. So with that said, I'll see you inside, and I hope you enjoy this course. Okay, bye-bye.